Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, January 23rd. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So as you can see, we made new yearly highs yesterday in ES and in NQ. The SPX actually made an all-time high, hit 6,000. But right now, early, with 75 minutes to go, the bears are attempting to push this lower and put the market back into balance by taking out yesterday's low and getting into the gap. Spoke about it in the trading room yesterday when it was kind of slow in the afternoon. We said any opening inside the meat of the profile, you're going to get a lot of chop. I said the two things that are going to be important. Bulls would like to defend value low, because if they don't, then the odds of taking out yesterday's low get a lot better, which they're attempting to do now. And bears had wanted to attempt to defend, in NQ's case, the single prints up from the 18th of December. Well, right now, the second scenario, or the first scenario, is playing out. We had a nice buy tail in NQ yesterday. Right now, we're trading below it. The gaps from yesterday, just under $2.50 in ES, NQ, 130 points. Something like that. So again, just about $3. Not huge, but not small either. So we'll see what kind of energy we get. Do we gap low? Remember we were talking yesterday, people looking for that island top to gap lower and leave yesterday at the yearly high all alone. I mean, these a lot of times it's traders just hoping to pick tops and things of that nature. We might get that this morning, but we still have a lot of time remains to be seen. As far as a game plan, again, since we're opening, or right now, I shouldn't say we're opening, but right now, our overnight high is not far from value low. And by the way, we basically opened and pulled down, drove down in both ES and NQ. That would be a good risk-reward short against the overnight highs, if that's where they are, and use value as your out. Any acceptance back into value, you'll go trade at that 9-wide pocket in ES and the 10-wide in NQ. So, again, first time is a decent risk-reward short against it, but if you get the overnight high and get back into value and M's range, you'll travel to those pocs. On the flip side, can you take a long against yesterday's low? It is something the bulls would want to defend because they are up right now. If you take it out, you're back into balance. So you can use that. And as of this moment, you can use overnight halfback as you're out in ES. In NQ, again, you could take the long, but now you need a point total as you're out because you're not going to use the overnight low as you're out. It's 50 points away. So again, these are early plays. If you're in the trading room, I'm on the mic at 9:15 every morning, breaking down both sides of what we can look for, live streaming this profile for free. Okay, it's an extra $400 or $500 per month feature that I offer, and basically a live webinar all day. And then chart-wise, just going to show you the daily. Right now we're up. We've been one-time framing up for 6 days. Volume's been light once again, under 50 million yesterday. If we take out yesterday's low, it would be the balance forming. If we just fill the gap, it's a 2-day balance. If we get into, however, Tuesday's range at all decently, then it would be a 3-day balance. It all remains to be seen. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.